BEML Limited, which is an Indian public sector company that manufactures heavy equipment, expects most of their revenue in the near future to come from the rail and metro segment. This because India is now looking to export made in India Vande Bharat trains, and BEML is looking to bag export orders for Vande Bharat and Vande Bharat metro trains in the next few years. BEML is looking to accelerate this initiative, and according to an ET report, they're already working on opportunities in the Middle East, South America and ASEAN region for metro and rail exports. Their ultimate aim is that exports should be 10% of their top line, up from 4% at present. Right now, they are focused on indigenous production, but something may come up on the export front soon enough. At present, they are producing the first prototype of the Vande Bharat sleeper coach for the Indian Railways. The first train of the sleeper version will be rolled out on either of the trunk routes, that is either Delhi-Mumbai or Delhi-Howrah. In fact, the timing will also be changed so that they're comfortable for people to board after office hours. The trains are designed to clock a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. The current version of the Vande Bharat that's been introduced are chair cars. Next will be sleeper coaches and also the metros. Vande Bharat sleeper trains features will be superior to the Rajdhani and Tejas Express, which are currently the premium standard for overnight travel on the Indian Railways network. The prototype, which will be tested, will be a 16-coach train set. Trains like the Vande Bharat Sleeper, Amrit Bharat and Namo Bharat are more advanced than other Indian trains so far. With new features and a more optimized manufacturing experience, the government hopes that these can all be exported in the future.